Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin the process of reinstalling your Lenovo Yoga 7, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the device and prevent any static damage to the components. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 7 completely. Disconnect all peripherals and ensure the device is unplugged from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the interior using compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now locate the hard drive or SSD. If you are looking to recover data, ensure that you do not remove the drive unless necessary. If you need to replace it, gently disconnect the drive from its connector. If you are unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you determine the best course of action. Next, if you are reinstalling the operating system, you will need a bootable USB drive with the Windows installation files. Insert the USB drive into the laptop and power it on. As the device starts, press the appropriate key to enter the boot menu, usually F12 or S key, depending on your model. Select the USB drive from the boot menu and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. During this phase, you will be prompted to choose the installation type. Opt for Custom if you want to perform a clean installation, which will erase all existing data. If you have important files, ensure you have backed them up beforehand. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Our service includes a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once the installation is complete, the system will restart. Remove the USB drive when prompted. You will then go through the initial setup process, including setting up your user account and preferences. After the installation, it's crucial to reinstall any necessary drivers. Visit the Lenovo support website to download the latest drivers for your Yoga 7. This will ensure that all components function correctly and efficiently. Finally, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or damage during use. In conclusion, reinstalling your Lenovo Yoga 7 and recovering data can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.